damn 100 degrees in here. And demonetized. Sorry, my breath. I want to go over this kind of strange topic. Very strange topic. Because it's not quite a bag, but it's an EDC bag that I use. I put some decals on it to make it not look scary, because I know people see, oh my god, he's carrying a gun or something like that. So I put some stickers on there to make it look non-scary. Yeah, okay. Hang on. Air bubble in the sticker. But it's an animal con. Now, let's clarify something. What is this? Yes, it's an animal can. But why on hell? Yeah, I said why on hell? It's listed at Myers as a utility box. I know what a utility box is. This ain't a utility box. I can tell you that. But let's get into it. It's rubber gasket though. Yeah, powdery stuff. I have no idea. I'm not sure it's Coke. Perhaps it doesn't. The door doesn't come off. And your first aid kit. Mini person. That's important. I keep a flathead, a Phillips, and some pliers in here. These are important utensils to my EDC bag. That's what needs to be cleaned, Jesus. These are important tools because, for one, I do a program called YS, Young Adult. And for some reason, I'm the handyman. So I bring these tools. If we have chicken wire, we have to twist on something. Yes, chicken wire, but no chickens. If we're rewiring, rewiring a birdhouse. Sounds weird. I'm gonna sit here and think about that. It's a wire that goes through here and you can hang it up. It's like homemade birdhouse. These are important. I'm always running into things that need to be tightened. My pouch. How's that? Hey, boo. Keys. Batteries. Delays. Probably not the safest thing to store them in, but y'all know. Medical book. This is my new medical book. Okay. Bible. Now I have a page marked. Yeah. Because I found, get it out. I found this. You can't pick up what it says on it. But it says Romans 10:9. And 10. To confess Jesus as Lord was frequently quite hazardous hazardous in the first century. For a Jew, it could mean, oh God, I just said that. Oh shit. Okay, let's back it up a little bit back. Where does the right one go? To confess Jesus as Lord. That's all I could probably read. Or let's try it. 10:9, 10:9. I keep this here. I'll beat the ham. It's a handy down. My old medical book. I still write stuff in it. Work journal. If I get bored, I just draw random things journal. Pocket notes, field notes. Also, America, because looking America. I do have these tools, little pocket tools in here. And I have my pocket because it fucking hurt when I have my pocket. Fancy pen. I'm trying to find them. I just realized somebody texted me. Sorry, kind of emotional thing. I just got a text. There's things that people go through, and that's why I pray to God sometimes. That's why I carry this, because the things that are going on in my life right now. Not pleasant stuff. But getting back on schedule. I carry all this in this ammo box. I carry all this in an ammo box. I might put this. Sorry. So I kind of shit, man. all I gotta say, enjoy life while you can. Enjoy the little moments, even the little arguments, just the little stuff. Tell your mom and dad, your stepdad, your stepmom, whatever, you love them. Tell them you're here to listen to them. Um, you, um, if you have a stepdad, you probably know. Some of you, I know some of you don't get the world's greatest stepfather, but I had the world's greatest stepfather. Um, uh, he was a better man than my dad, and I actually said that at his funeral, at my stepdad's funeral. I was confessing all my sins, everything, all the fights we had and everything. Tell him you're right the whole time. Life ain't fair. Life will fuck you up. I mean, real man. He committed suicide, man. Yes, I know my stepfather is going through some shit, but he didn't have to go out like this. Is somebody talking about suicide or hurting themselves, speak up and say something about it. Because you never know what could happen if you don't say nothing. And you will regret it. I gotta go.